All right, June 16th, and we didn't pull any honey this week. Just wasn't capped. Frames are full. Things are looking great in the honey supers, but just not completely capped off. So just gonna wait one more week, and then we'll pull some honey. I just want to get in here, take a peek. Last week was uneventful, and I kind of want the same thing. Sorry about the truck noise. Let's get in here and see what they're up to. Clean this up a little bit. Come on, watch out, girls, watch out. Watch out. Comb right on top. You guys can clean it up. Come on. Oops, where'd it go? Right there. All right, I'm not gonna mess with too much here. Just getting the tall ones. So let's dig in. See what we got. Like I said, last week was uneventful. And I'll take that for second week. What are we? Kind of heading into the third week in June here. There's a lot of truck noise today. All right, so this frame here has super seeder cups every week, and every week there's nothing in them. I'm gonna leave them, see what they do. But in general, this frame here is pretty empty. They're not storing that much nectar in it, so they're moving everything up. They're doing what they're supposed to be doing. They're not clogging up the brood chamber. Everything's going upstairs, so I'll take it. All right, girls, we're getting pretty big. I mean, look at the numbers here. I think it's like 3 o'clock in the afternoon. So a lot of bees should be out. Good numbers. Oh yeah, look at that brood pattern. Look at the brood pattern. I don't see anything I should be concerned about. Some weird drone comb over here, but very good. Everything looks good. Sorry. So I always check these. Most of the time, I just cut these off. There's a lot of bees on them right there. A lot of bees tucked in the corners. So I'm just gonna take my time, make sure there's not a queen cell, queen cup, anything like that in there. And that's it. Moving on. So she's doing phenomenal. She really is. She's not my best in the yard, but she's definitely. Oh wow! Look at the brood pattern. I mean, she's a great queen. Look at that. The holes are nectar. So I don't know if they were nectar before. That looks good. That looks good. All right, ladies. A little wound up here. Everybody's coming back to the farm now. More truck noise. But just taking a quick peek here. Uneventful last week. I'm hoping for the same. I think we can get to the summer solstice next week. I think we'll be doing all right. Another great brood / pollen. Whew, look at that. All right, so we got some cups on the bottom here. Just some cups. I'm gonna make sure I don't have my queen in here somewhere first. And I'm gonna chop those ones off because they're making cups right off the bottom of that. And I don't necessarily like it. So I don't see anything in the cups. I know cups are cups. I cut them out. That's just me. I'm gonna get rid of the ladder, keep a nice clean edge here, and the chickens at home are gonna love this. All right, girls, get off there. Did some drone brood for a snack today. All right, so I don't see much else here. Just wanted to clean that one up. I didn't like it. You have that wonky comb, and then they put a queen cell in it, and you don't see it because you think it's all drones, and then you're in trouble. So, come on, girls. Let's keep it rolling here. So nothing exciting yet. Just some stuff I wanted to clean up. All right, okay, so this is different stages of larva right here and some nectar. So this must be just coming in now. And I'll get my fat head out of the sun. And that's a pollen, so this is a food frame. Kind of the center. That's full of pollen. Look at the beautiful colors. Of course it ain't gonna come in too well, right? Go slow. Just see the different colors. Don't ask, I have no idea the pollen colors. But a lot of food right there. So everybody's asking what they're on. I'm going to show you if I remember at the end of the video. Clover's finishing up. Honeysuckle I do believe is finished up. We're talking, sorry. Oh, there's my girl right there. So, honeysuckle, clover. Come on, I can't see the screen. There she is. There she is. Yeah, she's got a little faded dot. That's my girl. So this is, anybody's been following along for a while, this is her second year. Second year I've been doing the video too, obviously with the colors. This is her second year, and my second year queens have definitely stepped up. As you can see from the other video, I have to do a video on my 3-year-old queen. That's another one that is just on fire. So most all my hives here, except for I do believe one, has got a split, if not 2, off of them. So that's another beautiful pollen frame. We're getting a lot of pollen in here, so something I got to look out for. But she's not running out of room. She's actually not even all the way to the outer edge, so I think we're all right. I think we're all right space-wise. She's not. And the other thing was, I think this split, this split is over 3 weeks. So they've recovered from what I've taken. If you do the 21-day rule, all that cap brood I took. So this is another pollen frame. Not huge, but you're seeing a lot of pollen right in here. Cap brood and nectar. Just something to think about. But she's not running out of room. Actually, she's there's the brood on this frame too. Actually, a lot of brood on this frame. This will be a good frame in a couple weeks. Oh, come on. Come on, get out of the way. So things are looking good. This is last 2 frames. Can't imagine there's going to be much on these. It might be just honey. But they're not showing any signs that they need space. This is all emerging brood right here. This whole frame's emerging brood. So they're not showing any sign. I think I kind of timed it perfect this year so far. I took that 3-frame split, which turns out to be pretty big. I'm second guessing 2 or 3 frames. 3 frames is a big split because by the time all that emerges, I need to have 2 nuke boxes. I need 5 frames. You'll see. I'm going to do a video. They should be, timing wise, for most of my queens splits, should be this weekend. So I'll be trying to do a little split update. See who made it, who didn't, and how I handle that situation. But this is another pollen frame. A little bit of nectar. So, and that needs to be drawn. I'm gonna leave it. So she's not even using the outer 2 frames right now. But back to nectar sources. So here we are, and wild blackberries everywhere. Like I said, honeysuckle's done. I know there's a lot of wildflowers going right now. Clover's finishing up. Black locust, I'm not quite sure in this area, but that's it. So, thank you for watching.